So you're sitting in an Audi S3 and you see this weird button and you wonder, what does it do? So this button can be customized. To do that, we go to the menu of our vehicle. So press menu, you're right there, you choose vehicle by pressing on the knob, and we go press left. Just pull it left and you're gonna get a drop down menu, and on this drop down menu we use vehicle settings, and from here we go to steering wheel button, and there's where you can choose what you want your button to do. I'm probably gonna choose change Audi drive select mode, and I just back out of it by pressing back button all the way to the menu. So now what happens when I press the button, my drive select comes on, and I can, by clicking on it, just choose which one I want. Easy as that.
Kendall, let's start something great.